with regard to the interference of his senior advisor, Mr. Bikari, DB, in the day-to-day matters, not only at the Gambling Regulatory Authority, where he's vice chairperson, but also in the companies, government-owned companies or public-owned companies, where he is chairperson, and this is causing a lot of stress on the personnel of all these institutions.
Mr. Speaker, sir, the advisor does his duty according to the responsibility that has been bestowed upon him, and I have had no concern with regard to any observation or any communication that he's interfering outside the limits of his responsibility.
Question. Can I ask the Prime Minister whether he has inquired following representation received made public and also representation made to his office that Mr. DB has been meeting the jockeys of the horse racing in private bungalows, or as the most that is a deputy chairperson of a board, which is not compatible to his appointment as chairperson. So he's not only interfering, he's interfering in horse racing also, and we all know for whom
put your
he's
question.
working.
You have to limit your question.
But you're always...
You have to limit your question reasonably.
I'm ending.
There are 3 questions in there.
I'm ending.
Time is over. Put your question.
But don't put your finger.
Put your question.
But don't show your finger to me.
Put your question. You also don't show your finger.
I am not showing.
Put your question.
I've already put my question. I'm
Okay.
waiting for the reply.
Let them
Well, Mr. Speaker, sir, these are frivolous allegations that are being made. The honourable member does not communicate any specific information. He just comes to this house, and he does that regularly, just throwing something and trying to throw mud at people. If you're serious,
Order! 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 Honorable Bhagwan, order! There is a question, there is a reply going on.
if you are,
Don't obstruct.
let me answer. If you are serious, and if you have the courage, repeat those allegations outside.
Honorable
Repeat.
Bhagwan, I'm gently asking you to withdraw from the chamber for the rest of the day. I have already warned you. Please withdraw from the chamber. Sergeant at arms, please. I'm suspending.